Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Freedom Tech Solutions. In this video, we'll be looking at how you can insert an hyperlink on Microsoft Word. So hyperlink is basically you referencing a website on a text on your Microsoft Word. So if you have maybe a Google page, you can just put the Google URL there, or if you want to reference maybe your LinkedIn page on your CV, you can just use your name and add the URL there, your LinkedIn URL, and to turn to an hyperlink. I'll also be showing ways you can also remove the hyperlink in case you don't want to use it. So basically, most people reference it on documents, maybe a website. They reference doing their research, so they can use the hyperlink to reference that particular websites as reference to it. So I'll show you ways on how you can do this. I'll share my screen now. I'd like you to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So step one is we'll be using this Freedom Tech as our text. That is Microsoft Word. You can see Documents Word. So we'll be referencing this text and we're pointing it to my LinkedIn page. So you can easily copy the link, then highlight this Freedom Tech. When you highlight it, you go to not home, you go to insert, click on link, brings out a menu for you, so you paste the URL there, you paste it, and when you click OK, you notice a change on that URL, so it has turned to an hyperlink. So you can easily click. See, if you hover it, you see control click to follow the link. So when I control then click, takes me to the LinkedIn page. Takes me to that LinkedIn page. So I can also do that for instance, let me say google.com. Google. So I didn't type the google.com. I can just use an hyperlink, highlight it, go to insert link, then www.google.com, tab, then OK. It changes. So when you click on it, control click, takes you to google.com. Control and click, it opens google.com for you. So as easy as that. So this is the first way you can do that. You can also reference images. You can also use an hyperlink to reference images. The same step. I want to reference images to point to google.com. I just select the images, click on the insert, then the link, then type www.google.com, same to, then by the time I over it's, so it has the URL there. You can see here google.com. You can see google.com is already an hyperlink. Now the second way you can do this, let me use Microsoft now. Microsoft, I can easily highlight this. The second step, which you can add an hyperlink on Microsoft Word, you can highlight and just right click. You see link, click on the link, then www.office or microsoft.com, microsoft.com, and click OK. Takes it gives you the hyperlink design, the color and the underline, so it shows it's a link. So it gives you changes the text entirely to a blue color and underlines, it shows it's a link. So I control and click on it, takes me to microsoft.com. So it's easy as that. So if you have anything you need to reference, you just highlight, then click on link, then add the website. It's as easy as that. You could also use it for your GitHub page. You have your GitHub page. You can highlight it, then put your GitHub URL, right click, link to your GitHub URL, www.github.com/your repository and the likes, your SaaS bouncing or Freedom Tech. And that's it. Reference it there. For instance, when I control click, takes me to if it exists, page doesn't exist. So that's how you do it. So I'll show you ways on how you can remove this hyperlink. For instance, now you don't want an hyperlink, you don't want to take you to any page, you want to remove it, and easily highlight it, then right click, then you see remove hyperlink. Boom, that's it. You can highlight this, right click, you see remove hyperlink. Easy as that. Then it's gone. You can highlight it, then you see remove hyperlink. Easy as that. So you can easily remove. I won't copy the hyperlink. If you like, and edit the hyperlink in case you want to edit, and edit it, change it to what you like, or you can copy that same hyperlink. You can open, remove, you can remove hyperlink. So basically that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. If the video is value to you, subscribe, like, and click the notification button.